So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. I'm going to show you two ways on how to get here. So for the first way, this is if you can sign into Windows. I'm on Windows right now, I can sign into it. If you can sign into Windows, then you want to head over to search and type in reset this PC, click on it. And then once you're on this, next to advanced startup, you want to click on restart now, and then click on restart now again. It's then going to take you into that screen. If you cannot sign into Windows, then for the second way, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As it's turning on, you want to quickly turn it back off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As it's turning on, you want to quickly turn it back off again and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to say that your PC did not start correctly, you want to click on advanced options. And now we're going to be on this screen. Now once you're on this screen for the second step, you want to go to troubleshoot, advanced options, and then command prompt. If you do not see command prompt, you want to click on serial recovery options, then it should appear right here. So you want to click on command prompt. And then once you're in the command prompt, I want to be typing in some commands. If you see any errors on my screen, just ignore it. You want to type in exactly what I'm going to type in on my screen. So for the first command, we're going to type in bootrec space / fix mbr. Click on enter. And now we're going to type in bootrec space / fix boot. Click on enter again. And now we're going to type in bcd edit space / export space c : /bcd backup. Click on enter again. And now we're going to type in attrib space c : /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s. Click on enter again. And now we're going to type in ren space c : /boot /bcd space bcd.old. Click on enter again. And now we're going to type in bootrec space / rebuild bcd. Click on enter again. Wait for this to load. And now we're going to type in y. Click on enter again. And now you're going to type in exit. Click on enter again. Now you just want to continue to Windows and then the problem should be fixed.